Solving inequalities. Grade C, and it's covered in both Unit 2 Foundation and Unit H Higher. Right, what is an inequality? An inequality will look like this. It'll have an expression, it might have two or one term, then a symbol, we'll look at that in a minute, and then some other number, or could even be the expression on the other side. Now this symbol here, the open mouth of this crocodile, if you will, okay, is opening towards the expression that's bigger. So we pronounce this as 5x plus 2 is bigger, greater than 11. How do I solve the inequality? I move the numbers to join each other. So we get 5x greater than, open mouth of the crocodile, 11 take away 2, 5x greater than 9, that's 11 take away 2. So as we do with equations, we finish off by taking the coefficient of x and putting it underneath, making it the denominator. So x is greater than 9 over 5. That's it. Let's look at another one. Here we go. 6x minus 1, that symbol there, with a little line beneath it, 15. Now, let's have a look. The open mouth of the crocodile is pointing towards the 15. But this is how we pronounce it. 6x minus 1 is less than 15. 15 is greater than 6x minus 1. What does this little line here mean? It means or equal. So the correct pronunciation is 6x minus 1 less than or equal to 15. Now, with that over and done with, let's solve the inequality. So 6x less than or equal to 15, take away 1. 6x less than or equal to, beg your pardon, it shouldn't be take away 1, should it? No, because there was a minus sign in front, it's the only time that we add. So it should be 15 plus 1. So 6x less than or equal to 16. And we finish off, as I said in our first example, take the coefficient of x and put it beneath the number on the other side, 16 over 6. Now we should be able to spot that there's a common factor. The common factor is 2. So we're going to divide that to get 8 over 3. X is less than or equal to 8 over 3. Let's look at one more. 4x plus 2, that symbol there. Right, how do we pronounce that symbol? Well, our open mouth of the crocodile is pointing towards 4x plus 2, so that's the greater part. So 4x plus 2 greater than, there's another little line, or equal to 22. Let's go through this, move the number, so we get 4x greater than, equal to 22, take away 2, 4x greater than or equal to 20, it's 22, take away 2, so x is greater than or equal to 20 all over, we'll take this coefficient and put it beneath the 20. Now that's an improper fraction, I haven't changed the earlier ones, but this is how we do it. 4 goes into 20 5 times, so x is greater than or equal to 5. Now you may be asked to show that on a number line. Let's draw a number line. In the middle we'll have 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just extend that number line a bit. 6. Fiddly dee. I'll do it in blank. 6, 7, and to the left of 0 we've got minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. And how do I show that on the number line? Well, I put a dot on 5, and as x can be equal to it, I fill it in, and then I show an arrow pointing to the right to show that x can be anything from 5 to the right, 5 or bigger. Let's look at that number line again with another one. Just ignore that from the earlier video. Here we go. 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 8. Rearrange it, move the numbers to the side, so we get 3x less than or equal to 8, take away 2, 3x less than or equal to 6, so x, put that 3 here, put it beneath, 6 over 3. Does that 3 become the denominator? Or 2. Let's draw our number line. In the exam, that'll probably be drawn for you. 0 in the centre. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Minus 1, minus 2. Sorry about the handwriting there. Minus 3. And so look, x has got to be less than or equal to 2. So we circle 2, fill it in because x can be equal to it, and then we show a line going to the left because x can be less than 2. Get rid of that. Now, got one more of the straightforward one. 7x plus 11 less than 4. So we rearrange it. This is probably worth more marks than the number line part. So we get 7x less than 4, take away 11. 7x less than minus 7. 4 take away 11 is minus 7. So x is less than minus 7 all over 7. 7 goes into 7 one time. And there was a minus in the fraction, so there's a minus in the answer. Let's quickly draw our number line. See if my handwriting can improve this time. Now, x is less than, so it's going to be pointing to the left, minus 1. But it can't be equal to, so we draw a circle, but don't fill it in on minus 1. And then we have the arrow pointing to the left, because x is less than that. So that's how we solve basic inequalities. In the next video, we'll look at slightly more complex ones. Anyway, thank you for listening.